My name is Daniel Dufficy, and I'm a manager of client relocation services at Odyssey Relocation. What we do at Odyssey Relocation is work with corporate clients to help assist with their global mobility plan, moving their employees from one corner of the globe to another, handling all different logistics, like household goods, shipments, setting people up in new homes, assisting with home sale and home purchase, the whole gamut. My experience with Tkxel, I would say I'm very impressed through and through. I was pretty skeptical that you all would be able to really, that in the course of 2 weeks, you would all have a good understanding of what we do, really kind of absorb everything that we do like you did. It takes months for people to learn the industry. It's very complicated and whatnot. And you all were able to, within a few meetings, at least pretend like you knew what we did. And I was very impressed about that. And I was also very impressed with what you all were able to put together in terms of just, it felt like we were all on the same wavelength. And to me, that just shows that you listened to what everyone was saying, you absorbed it, and you ran with it. That's incredibly valuable with what you did. And again, well done.